Here's question 13 on the higher calculator paper. Okay, let's read the question. The question says, Bob asks each of 40 friends how many minutes they took to get to work. So he's asking them how many minutes they took to get to work. 3 people said between 0 and 10 minutes, 8 people between 10 and 20 minutes, and so on. Right? He asked 40 friends. Now that's going to come in useful in a second. Work out an estimate of the mean. Now if you see that, you should just be thinking exactly what you need to do and just going through the sequence now. Because there are 40 friends, I know the frequencies add up to 40. That should add up to 40. I could check it. That's 11, 22, 22 and 9 is 31. 31 and 9 is 40. Okay, with estimated mean, I need to have 2 more columns attached to this. And here we go. Because it's an estimate of the mean, one column is going to be midpoint, and the other column is midpoint times frequency. Okay, so what's the midpoint of the first group? It's the halfway point between each of these. That's going to be 5. Midpoint of the second group is 15. Midpoint of the third, 20 to 30, is 25. The midpoint of this group here, 30 to 40, is 35. And the midpoint of the group 40 to 50 is 45. Okay, just do a quick check of that. Yep, that is correct. Now I need to do midpoint times frequency. So the midpoint times the frequency. And I know the first one, it's going to be 15. I'm going to use the calculator for all of these just to make sure that there are no errors and I'm going to get full marks. Okay, so we have 3 times 5 is 15. 8 times 15, 120. So the second one is 120. Then I've got 11 times 25, which is 275. So that is 275. Then I've got 9 times 35, which is 315. Then the next one is 9 times 45, and that's 405. 405. Okay, I'm near the end of this now. All I need to do is to add up the midpoints times the frequency. Add these numbers, 15 plus 120 plus 275 plus 315 plus 405 equals 1130. 1130. So estimate of the mean is going to be 1130 divided by 40, the total frequency. 40 is the total frequency. So let's do this. 1130 divided by 40, and that gives you 28.25. 28.25 minutes, and I've written this in the answer section as well. This question is worth 4 marks. If you get this question, you should be able to, if you get a question similar to this, you need to be able to get full marks, and this is how to get it. Show your workings. We've got everything laid out. It's fully there, enough to get full marks in this type of question.